how much should you actually spend on RV trailer covers? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Bouge RV Jack Cover. Let's kick things off with the Bouge RV Electric Tongue Jack Cover. Priced at $14.99, this cover caught my attention for its durable 600D Oxford fabric. If you want reliable protection for your trailer jack, this is worth a serious look. The Bouge RV cover effectively shields your jack from rain and snow thanks to its waterproof material. It measures 14 inches high, 5 inches wide, and 10 inches deep, making it a universal fit for most trailer tongue jacks. The dual D-rings on each side are a game changer, allowing you to secure your chains and prevent rust. This means you can keep everything organized and in good shape, which is crucial when you're on the road. Plus, with over 1,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that many RV owners trust this product. Now, some folks noted that the fit can feel a bit loose at times. Here's the thing though, as long as it's secured with the drawstrings, it should stay in place. So if you're looking for an affordable way to protect your trailer jack without breaking the bank, this is a solid option. This is perfect for you if you need an inexpensive yet effective cover for your jack. Skip this one if you're looking for something with more heavy-duty features. Overall, it offers great value for your money. Now, if the fit issue with the Bouge RV cover bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Gear Can Jack Cover. The Gear Can RV Electric Tongue Jack Cover, retailing at $16.99. What stood out to me here is its stylish design along with solid functionality. If you want a blend of aesthetics and protection, this is worth a serious look. Made from heavy-duty 600D Oxford cloth, this cover provides excellent waterproof protection and UV resistance. With the same dimensions as the Bouge RV, it fits most electric trailer tongue jacks perfectly. The dual D-rings help keep your safety chains tidy and off the ground, preventing any rust. Plus, the American flag pattern adds a touch of style, making it a great choice for those who want their RV gear to look as good as it performs. With over 200 units sold in the past month, it seems to be gaining popularity among RV enthusiasts. However, some reviewers mention that the fabric could be a bit stiff, making it harder to put on during colder weather. But honestly, once it's on, it does a great job of keeping your jack safe from the elements. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a nice design while ensuring reliable protection. Skip this one if you need something that's super flexible in cold conditions. It's a solid option for the price. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for all-season use. Product number 3, Umbrato RV Cover. We have the Umbrato RV Cover, priced at $189.97. This cover caught my eye because of its impressive 7-layer design. If you want top-notch all-season protection for your RV, this one's a must consider. This cover is crafted with high-tech fabric that enhances tear resistance by 30%. It's designed to protect your trailer from sunlight, rain, and wind, while also offering excellent insulation. The lightweight design makes it easy to set up, and it comes with extra windproof ropes and gutter covers. This means you can travel with peace of mind, knowing your RV is protected from harsh weather. Plus, with over 100 units sold recently, it's gaining traction among RV owners who prioritize durability. That said, some buyers felt that the price was on the higher end. But here's the thing. If you're serious about protecting your investment, this cover is worth every penny. This is perfect for you if you're looking for heavy-duty protection for year-round use. Skip this one if you're just looking for a quick, temporary solution. For dedicated RV owners, the value here is undeniable. Now, if the price tag on the Umbrato cover is a concern for you, the next option may offer a more budget-friendly alternative. Product number 4, Vinpatio RV Cover. The Vinpatio RV cover also featuring a 7-layer design and priced at $184.98. This cover impressed me with its added waterproof features. If you want reliable protection against both water and UV damage, this is worth a serious look. The 7-ply non-woven fabric ensures that your RV stays dry, even in heavy rain, thanks to its 2,000mm waterproof rating. It also has reflective strips for nighttime visibility, which is a great safety feature if you're parked on the side of the road. The windproof straps help secure the cover during storms, so you don't have to worry about it flying off. With more than 50 units sold recently, it's clear that there's a solid market for this kind of protection. However, some users reported that the cover can be a bit more cumbersome to install due to its weight. But honestly, once it's on, you'll feel confident that your RV is protected from the elements. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable cover that can withstand tough weather. Skip this one if you prefer something lightweight and easier to handle. The protection it offers is a great investment for your RV. All right, we've looked at some heavy-duty options, but if you're after something simple yet effective, the final product on our list might just be the ticket. Product number 5, Shicheng Jack Cover. We have the Shicheng RV Electric Jack Cover priced at just $13.99. It's a budget-friendly choice that still delivers solid protection. If you want a straightforward, no-fuss cover, this one's worth considering. Made with 600D Oxford fabric, this cover effectively shields your trailer jack from elements like rain, snow, and UV rays. It also features D-rings to keep your safety chains organized and off the ground, which is a nice touch. The easy installation with a drawstring means you can get it secured quickly, making it a practical option for RV owners who want something hassle-free. With around 50 units sold recently, it's showing promise for budget-conscious buyers. However, I did notice some reviews mentioning that it doesn't fit as snugly as some of the pricier options. But look, if you're looking for something simple to protect your jack without spending a fortune, this cover is a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget but still want to protect your trailer jack. Skip this one if you need something heavy-duty or more durable. It's a great value for the money. In conclusion, each of these products has its own strengths, catering to different needs and budgets, so there's definitely something for everyone. To wrap it up, we've looked at 5 very different options: the Bouge RV and Gear Can for budget-friendly jack protection, the Umbrato and Vin Patio for more heavy-duty needs, and the Shicheng for a simple, cost-effective solution. Depending on your specific needs, there's definitely a cover here that can help keep your RVs safe from the elements.